To Jinjin and Nonoy, my playmate, my classmate, my best friend. To Jinjin, my niece, na at the same time, nang ningin tita ako sa imo, bilang strict tita, pero subong nakita mo na ang man of your life. Kagabay pa nga mingin malipayon ka mo nga duwa sa journey nga ginpili nyo. And we are praying for both of you sa happiness sa inyong kabuhi, kag sa inyong pamilya, kag mapuli ka mo di nga more babies nga bitbiton nyo sa Pilipinas. Kag we love you both, kag kabay pa nga nang put God in the center of the relationship. God bless and we miss you.
Ay din, happy wedding day. Congratulations lang sa inyo. Kag kabay pa maginang panay lang kamo. Kay kabalo naman kamo sang inyo mga ugali alin sang una kay ugdanay man kamo halin sang gamay pa kamo. Congratulations.
Yan, congratulations lang sa inyo kasala. Kabay pa. Maginirupay kamo.
It's your wedding day. Congratulations and best wishes. Ang mabalakang ko lang sa inyong duwa is that promise to be faithful and strong with each other. Promise to inspire and encourage one another through good times and bad, to lift each other up when you're down, and most importantly, to love unconditionally through all of your adventures in life together. And never forget to let God be the center of your relationship. So congratulations and best wishes once again. I hope to see little Nunoy and little Valerie very soon. Okay, bye.
Surprise! Daival! I personally am very proud of what you have become. We have been in such a great deal of travel to find ourselves and be that woman we hoped and dreamed to be. And I am very grateful to have overcome all those fears and times with you. This day marks a new chapter in your life's journey, being one with Nonoy, being a wife, and hopefully a mother. Live your married life to look less like the world and be more like Christ. Refine each other, experience everything together, and reflect on God's love story. We hope to see little Nonoy and little Valerie very soon. Congratulations and I love you!
Hi Ban! Hi Noy! Congratulations! For how many years that you've been together, this is the right time to start your life for a better. Building your own family is an exciting and thrilling event of a human life. But you found a man that can continue your eyes sparkling because of love and care. Nonoy, you found a woman that can keep your lips smiling because of joy and sweet. Hope God will continue to bless your relationship and your marriage life with full of happiness and excitement. Hope and I pray that your marriage life will end forever. Kahit hindi man sila naniniwala sa forever, patunayan nyo na may forever. Congratulations! I love you and I miss you both. Mwah!